Mistiedna internazzjonali flimkien moħrajn lokali. Dan il-festival jilħaq skop differenti minn festivals oħra, dak li jeduka lil pubbliku fil-lingwa tal-films. Il-proġett Il-Malta Short Film Festival ingħata support mill-Malta Arts Fund mill-Fond għall-Organizzazzjonijiet għaliex irnexxielu jagħmel il-film qasir aċċessibbli għall pubbliku ġenerali li qatt ma mar għal dawn il-festivals. Għalkemm l-industrija f'Malta meta mqabbla ma' industriji ta' pajjiżi oħra għadha qed tibda, ir-rata tal-iżvilupp hija waħda maġla. Tkellimna ma' James Moffitt li rebaħ il-premju tal-aħjar direttur lokali.
Kien award għalija u kien onur, ġifieri kienet l-ewwel darba li qatt tirbaħ dal-award u f'dal festival, u speċjalment għal dak il-film li kien esperiment ħanejdu hekk. Hija xi ħaġa li tkompli tini kuraġġ biex nesplora u nitgħallem iktar fil-qasam tal-films hawn Malta.
Matthew Stroud rebaħ il-premju għall-aħjar animazzjoni.
This short film was my dissertation for my master's in the United Kingdom. And it was just a way of finding a simple story to tell with just the main ingredients and something that can be a story from beginning to end, not just an action or event.
Rajna wkoll films b'realtajiet differenti li ġejjin minn pajjiżi barranin. Il-film rebbieħ tal-festival li jismu Serena huwa dirett minn Eric Lamen mill-Lussemburgu filwaqt li Taljan Federico Toccella bil-film tiegħu Isaac rebaħ il-premju tal-ġurija barranija u tal-aħjar script.
For me it's a great news to win 2 awards. I was really not prepared to receive them. And so I'm really happy because about my story, this is the story of Isaac's sacrifice from the point of view of a child, because in the history is always win a view from the point of view of Abraham.
No, I had no idea, never in my life did I think I would come here. I've heard of the place before, but I did not know where it was actually. But now that I'm here, I'm very glad because it's very beautiful. Yeah, and I'm definitely coming back with the director of this film.